So good morning everyone. In the last class we discussed regarding the outright rates or the forward rates. In this class we'll be discussing regarding the calculation of annualized forward premium or discount. So before moving on, what is forward premium or discount? What does it mean? So this is nothing but, take for example, if rupees 100p is nothing but par value, if it is issued at 105 rupees, then it is called premium. The same amount, the par value is issued at 95 rupees, it is called as discount. Or in the common words we can tell it as rupees 105 is nothing but premium, which is more than the par value. Thus a lesser amount is called as discount. More value premium, less amount discount. This is premium and discount. So in the same way, there is forward premium and forward discount is there. To calculate that, there is a formula for both. If number of days is given, there are two formulas. One is if number of days given, if in the question number of days given. The second one, if months given. There are two formulas. One is if number of days is given, one more is if number of months is given. If number of days is given, the formula is forward rate minus spot rate divided by spot rate into number of days is nothing but 365 divided by n. N is nothing but whatever the month or days given in the problem, done, into 100. So this is a formula if in the question number of days is mentioned clearly. If they are telling after 90 days forward rate, after 120 days forward rate, if this is given, then 365 divided by n. If number of months is given, the same formula, the forward rate minus spot rate divided by spot rate into 12 divided by n. Why 12? Here the number of month is mentioned, into 100. Then these are the two formulas. If days are given, then 365. If months are given, 12 divided by n. N is nothing but whatever the months mentioned in the problem. Here 90 days or 120 days will be given. Here 3 month forward rate will be given, or 1 month forward rate will be given. Whatever the forward rate will be given after certain months, then we need to take this. Done. So you can see here, if number of days contract, premium or discount equals forward rate minus spot rate divided by spot rate into 365 divided by n into 100. This is if number of days is given. If number of month is given, then 12 divided by n. Then as I told you earlier in this example itself I told, if 100 is a par value, highest or positive amount is nothing but premium, the lesser amount is nothing but discount or negative value. If positive value, then more amount premium, less amount with the negative value, it is discount. If that is also clear, we can move to the problem. Here you can see, if forward rate is greater than, here there are certain things. If positive amount premium, if negative amount discount. One more is, if forward rate is greater than spot rate, it is premium. If spot rate is greater than forward rate, it is discount. Done. This is clear. This is important. If forward rate is greater than spot rate, it is premium. If spot rate is greater than forward rate, it is discount. And then come to the first problem. The problem number 1 is given. The spot rate is given in the problem. This is spot rate, rupees 88.65. This is given per euro. For 1 euro we are paying 88.65. And 1 month forward rate is given. 1 month forward rate is, spot rate is nothing but whatever the transaction that happens at present. Immediate transaction will happen, plus immediate settlement is also done, that is T plus 2. Spot is nothing but spot transaction. Today only the transaction happens, or T plus 2 transaction plus 2 working days. The transaction will happen. What is forward rate? In the future we are going to do the settlement. Today we will initiate, but in the future we will have the delivery of the thing or a settlement of all the transaction. That is forward rate. The spot rate is 88.65. After 1 month forward rate is 88.50. Then after 1 month, this will be the rate for 1 euro. Today the amount is 88.65. After 1 month, forward rate is 88.50. We need to calculate whether it is the premium or discount. Understood? We need to calculate annualized forward premium or discount. So coming to the solution number 1, calculation of annualized forward premium or discount. We need to write the formula. So what is the formula? There are two types, as I told. If number of days is given, if number of month is given. So in the problem, what is given? In the problem, what is given? 1 month forward rate. It is related to month, not the days. If 1 month is given, then the formula is forward rate minus spot rate divided by spot rate into 12 divided by n. Why 12? Number of month is mentioned into 100. If this is clear, then we can do the problem. So what is forward rate? Forward rate is given how much? 88.50 is forward rate, minus spot rate is given 88.65 divided by spot rate is 88.65 into 12. It is in the formula, divided by n is nothing but what is n? 1 month. If it is 2 month, if here we will write 2 month. Here only 1 is given into 100. So if we done the calculation, if we do the calculation, 88.50 minus 88.65 divided by 88.65 into 12 into 100, you will get 88.50 minus 88.65. So we will get minus 2.0304. We get this answer. It is minus 2.0304. So what is the conclusion we can write? As I told, the negative value is nothing but discount. If it is a positive value, then it is premium. So you need to write the conclusion. What the conclusion you will write? In this case, the foreign currency euro will be issued at discount or premium. This is minus value means discount of rupees minus 2.0304. If it is positive, then we will write premium. That's it. So now we are done with the problem number 1. Come to problem number 2. Read the problem. Read the second problem. In the problem, they are given spot rate. Spot rate is given $1.4030 per 1 pound. Then 3 months forward rate is given. 3 month is given. Then the formula is 12 divided by n into 100. Then this is spot rate. This is after 3 months. This will be the rate. We need to calculate whether it is on premium or discount. Whether it is going to issue at premium or discount. That we need to calculate. So if you want to calculate that, first one what you need to do? Write the solution. So in the question, what is given? 3 months forward rate is given, not in the form of days, it is given in the form of months. So what will be the formula? Write the formula. Premium or discount equals forward rate minus spot rate divided by spot rate into 12 divided by n into 100. Then start writing what is forward rate. Forward rate means this one. Spot rate is this one. What we need to write? Forward rate 1.4042 minus spot rate is 1.4030 divided by spot rate 1.4030 into 12 divided by 12 is nothing but it is same as per the formula. N is nothing but n means number of months given in the problem. Here what is the number of month 3 month into 3 divided by 100, so into 100 equals, do the calculation, 1.4042 minus 1.4030 divided by 1.4030 will come to 0.000853 into, don't do as if in the formula because you will get the wrong calculation. So simplify that. 12 divided by 3 is number, 3 ones are 3 4s are 12, 4 into 100. Now we can do the direct multiplication. This 0.00853 into 4 into 100. So we will get 0.34212. This is not minus value, this is positive value. If nothing is there, it is considered as positive. And one more thing is that we want to know whether it is premium or discount. One more is that if forward rate is greater than spot rate, obviously it is premium. If spot is greater than forward rate, it is called as discount. So in the question, which is greater, 42 is greater or 30 is greater? Here 1.4042 is greater. Here forward rate is greater than spot rate, then it is called as premium. The same we got here. Here we got the positive amount, so it is considered as it is premium. Then we need to write the conclusion. What you are going to write in the conclusion? You are going to write, in this case, the foreign currency pound is going to issue at a premium of 0.34212. So this is the conclusion you need to write, because it is a positive value, then it is premium. If it is a negative value, then it is discount. One more way to check your answer is, check which is greater, forward rate is greater or spot rate is greater. If in the question forward rate is greater than spot rate, it is considered as premium. If spot rate is greater than forward rate, this is considered as discount. Like that you need to do the calculation. So take for example, if in the question, instead of 3 months, if they are given 100 days, what are you going to put? If in the place of 3, if 100 days is given, what you want to write? You want to write 365 divided by 100 into 100 as per the formula. Here in both the problems, number of month is given, so if number of days is given, you need to calculate. So problem number 3, this is your homework problem. You need to do the homework problem. This I will send in the group. What you need to do, here also same thing, spot rate is given. Here 2 factors they are considered. One is foreign currency terms, home currency, don't bother about that. For us, we need only spot and forward rate. Spot rate is given for both the things. 3 month forward rate. After 3 months, this is your forward rate. Here also month is given, not the number of days. If number of days is given, then the formula will be different. Here the month is given, spot is given, forward is given. You need to calculate whether it is issued at premium or discount. But here one thing is there. Here till now we used to have only one scenario. Here only one scenario is there. Here 2 scenarios is there. This is one scenario. This is second scenario. Spot rate, forward rate, we need to calculate for one, whether it's forward or premium. These home currency terms you need to calculate. Understood? For this also you need to calculate annualized forward premium or discount. For this also you need to calculate whether it is annualized forward premium or discount. For both things you need to calculate. This is your homework problem. Okay, thank you.